In this video, we'll cover how to create and add people to email sequences. But firstly, what are email sequences? Well, they're useful to send a series of email templates in specified time gaps to certain subscribers. You can configure sequences to automatically update the pipeline, assign tags, or add records to the folders after a step is completed. The sequence will run until a recipient replies to any email account that is synced with Recruitly. To find the email sequences page, go to the taskbar inside of Recruitly to the right of the global search bar. Inside this page, you can see your existing email sequences and change between viewing your own sequences or all users' sequences. To create an email sequence, click on the New Email Sequence button. In this page, you can name your sequence, select what type of sequence you wish to create, and toggle if you want the sequence to stop sending emails after a member replies. Next, we have our steps. You can choose whether you want a step of a sequence to be sent immediately or after a delay, and attaching an email to the step will allow you to choose an activity type for the step and an email template. You can edit your email templates from this page too. Also, you can send an SMS with a step or add a task and select when it is due. There are also a number of post-step actions you can add from this page. For example, with a candidate sequence, you can update a status of a member, add them to a folder, update them in a job pipeline, or assign tags to them. Finally, you can choose what days you want your sequence to be active on and choose a relevant time zone for it to be active for. Clicking Save Sequence at the top of the screen will save the sequence and add it to your list of sequences. You can view the members of a sequence from the list by clicking on the Members button next to the name. From this page, you can remove members and see other details about the sequence. There are two ways to edit your sequence. You can edit them via this page, or you can click on their name from the list. From this page, you can edit your sequences and delete them. Now that we know how to create and edit sequences, let's talk about how to add people to a sequence. There are three ways to do this. Go to any list inside your system, and after you click on a person, you can add them to an email sequence as an individual, or alternatively, you can select multiple people and add them all to an email sequence in bulk. The third way to add someone to a sequence is through a pipeline. In the top right corner of a tile in a pipeline, there's an option to add the person in the pipeline to a sequence. When adding through any method, this page will pop up, where you can choose who the emails and SMS messages are sent from. Finally, select your sequence and click the Add to Email Sequence button.